Can you extract this nail using only your hands? It's possible, but quite challenging. What could make it simpler? Leverage. The only way to become rich is by using some kind of business leverage. Selling your time in exchange for money is called earned income. Earned income would be like the analogy I used above, taking the nail out with your bare hands. It's extremely difficult to achieve wealth with earned income. Earned income is the most heavily taxed income. Earned income pays taxes before expenses. Any disposable income is commonly used to pay living expenses and not creating wealth. Wealth is only created through assets. True wealth springs from assets. Converting earned income into business, passive, and portfolio income paves the path to prosperity. In the world of business and finance, two powerful words reign supreme: cash flow. But understanding these words goes beyond their mere definitions. It's about deciphering the direction in which your money is flowing. Let's explore how these concepts can transform your financial destiny. Imagine your finances as a river, with cash flowing in and out like a current. The key lies in determining what's truly an asset and what's a liability. An asset is like a fountain that fills your pocket. If money flows into your income statement, consider it an asset. Picture a rental property generating consistent rental income or dividends from stocks boosting your wealth. On the flip side, a liability acts as a drain, pulling money from your pocket. If cash is flowing out, like monthly mortgage payments or high-interest credit card debt, it's a liability. Let's dissect common misconceptions. Owning a house might seem like an asset, but if it's consuming your income without generating cash flow, it's actually a liability. The goal isn't just wealth. It's controlling the flow towards you. Consider investments in stocks or bonds. Now, let's explore the financial statement. Remember, the first line of expenses is taxes. The average employee sees their hard-earned money flowing straight to the government. But here's the real lesson: control your cash flow. Instead of working for money that flows out, strive for assets that generate income flowing into your pocket. So, when you're tempted to chase the traditional notion of success, remember the wisdom of cash flow. Build your wealth on assets that flow into your pocket, not out. The river of cash flow can lead to the ocean of financial freedom. Will you navigate its currents wisely? The success loop. This concept is often referred to as a success loop. It describes how achieving a single success can trigger a series of positive events that lead to more successes. Let's break down the process. When you achieve a win, whether it's small or significant, it boosts your confidence. Success releases chemicals like dopamine in your brain, making you feel good and validating your abilities. You start believing that you're capable of achieving more. This positive outlook influences your approach to tasks and decisions. Because you've experienced success before, you become less afraid of failure. You will recognize that setbacks are temporary and can be overcome. This shift in perspective encourages you to take on new challenges and risks. This attitude accelerates your learning and adaptation. As you experience more successes, you actively seek out additional opportunities to replicate that feeling of accomplishment. With each victory, your confidence grows further, and the cycle repeats itself. The series of successes gradually expands your comfort zone. Tasks and challenges that once seemed daunting now appear more manageable. Building multiple sources of income. In today's world, relying on just one paycheck can be tough, especially with everything that's happened due to the COVID-19 pandemic. People are realizing it's a good idea to have more than one way to make money. So, a lot of us are using this time to learn new things and find ways to earn extra income. Means there are chances to make money by offering services or selling things online, and it's become really important to get comfortable with using the internet to your advantage. 1. Specialization. Identify a niche or area where you possess distinct skills, knowledge, or experience. Whether it's a technical skill, a particular industry, or a hobby you're passionate about, focusing on your strengths increases your marketability and demand. 2. Passive income. Passive income involves earning money with minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. This could come from investments, rental properties, royalties, or creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos. 3. Diverse avenues. Explore a range of income sources to reduce risk and increase potential earnings. By diversifying, you're less reliant on a single source of income and can weather fluctuations in any one area. 4. Tech integration. Leverage technology to streamline your operations and make your income streams more efficient. Automate repetitive tasks, manage customer relationships with CRM software, and use online platforms to connect with clients or customers. 5. Adaptability. The business landscape is always evolving, so it's essential to stay current and adapt to changing trends. Continuously invest in your learning and skill development. This might involve taking courses, attending workshops, or reading up on industry news. Incorporating these strategies into your approach to multiple income sources can help you create a diversified portfolio that not only increases your financial security but also aligns with your passions and goals. Don't be controlled by emotions. Robert Kiyosaki's advice is about not letting your feelings, especially fear and wanting too much too fast, control how you handle money choices. He says it's important to be the one in charge of your feelings, not the other way around. This is true for both investing and running a business. When the prices of company shares go down, people get scared. This fear can make them quickly sell their shares without thinking. Kiyosaki's main point is that if you let fear make your choices, your money situation might not be good. He also says it's not smart to decide based only on what others say or what you see in the news. If you stay in control of your feelings and don't let fear or what others say push you around, you can avoid making quick decisions you might regret. Sometimes, wanting to become rich super quickly can make you act without really thinking. Kiyosaki warns that only thinking about getting lots of money right away can make you invest in things that are too risky or businesses that won't last. Instead, he thinks it's better to make plans that make sense for what you want in the long run. Having a plan can help you not do things too quickly when you're hoping to get rich fast. To sum it up, leverage, smart cash flow management, diversifying income, and emotional control are key elements that pave the way to financial success. Like using a tool to extract a nail, these strategies make challenging tasks easier. They guide you towards creating wealth through assets, embracing a success loop, and building multiple income sources. By understanding these principles and applying them wisely, you can navigate the journey to financial freedom and a more secure future. So don't forget to leave a comment below each video, sharing your thoughts, reflections, and any topics you'd like us to delve into. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant community of life alchemists. May your path be filled with laughter, gratitude, and the purest form of happiness.